Hola mi amigo y mi amigas. I'm Ahmad MousaviPour, Flamenco guitarist and guitar teacher. Today I'm going to teach you Forever Nice song of Gipsy King, Tonino Baliardo, composer is Tonino Baliardo. And first I'm going to play a trip melody, and the next part I'm going to play unison in bass string, and you can play first trip and together. Yes, for example, a seventh bar you can play first bar 2, 3, 4, 5, and the seventh, for example, seventh bar you can play bass string. Yes, main them forever, main them. If you have any question about this lesson, just tell me, and you can see tab on my Telegram channel. Yes, and I'm trying to full explanation, which finger, which hand, right hand, up, down. Yes, I, you can begin I or M, and one finger first or fourth, and you can more better you try to see the end of this video. Yes, that's more better. One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe me. Set the bell on all option for enable notification of new posts. Thank you so much. First note in 10th fret, pull off in 8th fret, D, pull off in C, B, note, A note, G and B, Tether note, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 bar pull off 10th fret of first string with the 8th, the pull off on the C note, and the third note of 2 bar is a B on the 7th fret of one string. The next note is A on the 10th fret of 12th string, and the next note is G on the 8th fret of 12th string. The next note is B. C with the B note. Next note is A, next note is G, and next note is F and A. Pull off 4th bar. 8 with the 7th and the fret of one string. Next note, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th note on the 4th bar is G with F and A. Repeat this. One and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and your attention with pull off. 4 finger with the third finger. And 12th fret of 4th string, pull off in 10th, D with C, G, 4 finger, A, G, and C 9th fret of 4th string, pull off 24 bar. 12th fret with the 10th fret on 4th string, 4 and 2 finger, D with C note, C, B note, A, G, 2 finger, and next is G. Pull off. Change position. 4 finger with the 3 finger. Pull off. 10th with 9. 4 and 7th. Fret of 4 string and G. Next note is F, and the next note is A. Pull off D with B, 4 string with the 3rd string, 10th fret with the 9th fret, 7th fret 26 bar, G, F, and A. repeat 2. 5, 2. Repeat 5, repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like this, yes. 5. Four bar is silence. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. One, two, three. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 4.